Are you a streamer? Do you love to play games while listening to your favorite jams? Are you constantly throwing your music options into a blender to avoid getting struck with a copyright claim? Well, fear no more. With this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to listen to music freely on your stream without fear of having a claim thrown your way. Today, we're talking Twitch VOD audio setups. Now, I do want to put out there that this tutorial will focus on utilizing two different software, OBS and SteelSeries Sonar via the SteelSeries GG program. These are the programs that I use personally, and as such, this tutorial will be focused on how to achieve this goal through these programs. I also want to clarify that you do not need SteelSeries hardware to use the Sonar program, and it works pretty well if you're just aiming to separate audios. This video is in no way sponsored by OBS or by SteelSeries. Again, these are just the programs I use in my personal streams. Alright, first and foremost, make sure that you have both SteelSeries GG and OBS installed, updated, and ready to go. What we're going to do first is open up SteelSeries GG, you should land on this homepage, and go to the Sonar tab. Here you should see 6 columns: Master, Game, Chat, Media, Aux, and Mic. What we're going to do here is we're going to go to each tab and set it to our preferred audio output. For me, it's my Corsair audio adapter, which is labeled as Corsair HS65 Surround. So we're going to set that. We're going to go back in here. Once you have all your outputs set up with the correct device, you'll want to look down at the bottom of each column where you should see colored boxes with different program names in them. It is important to note that if you have a program open but it is not actively making noise or playing music, it will not appear in the mixer, so make sure to start your music in whatever program you're using so that its tab does pop up in the Sonar mixer.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
From here, we're going to just drag the program to whatever column we want it in, but we also want to make sure it's separated from our game and bass audio. You do not have to put your music program onto Aux, but that's just where I prefer to have it. The other Sonar programs might jump around a bit the first few times you do it. Don't worry, that is completely normal. Alright, so now that I have my music audio set up under Aux and my game audio is under the game column, we're going to switch over to OBS. Once you have OBS open, you should see Scenes, Sources, Audio Mixer, Scene Transitions, and Controls, or some variation of these. What we're going to do first is go to Settings. In Settings, we're going to go to Audio. And in Audio, under Global Audio Devices, you should see Desktop Audio 2, and Mic Auxiliary Audio. These are the 3 that we're going to focus on in this video. So for Desktop Audio, we're going to go in and we're going to set it to whatever audio track you set your gaming audio to. So for me, that's gaming. Then we're going to go to Desktop Audio 2, and we're going to set it to whatever audio track we had our music on. So for me, that's going to be Aux. So make sure that you have those all set up, and then I have my microphone as well. So these 3 are set up now. We're going to hit Apply. Now when we close, you should see Desktop Audio 2, and your microphone in the audio mixer. From here, we're going to go into the double gears down here. This should open another window that says Advanced Audio Properties. So in here, you should see all of your audio, their status, their volume, mono, balance, sync, offset, audio monitoring, and tracks. We're going to focus today on tracks. So you're going to go to Desktop Audio. That's where your gaming audio is. That should be where any audio that you want on every single track, this is where it's going to be. So we're going to go here. We're going to make sure all of these checkboxes are checked, and that's going to mean that that audio, no matter what you do, is going to be on every single track. Next, we're going to come down to Desktop Audio 2, and we're going to take it off of 1 track. You can take it off of more tracks if you don't want music on other tracks, but for now, we're going to set it to not be on audio track 6. And then you can do the same thing with your microphone. If you don't want it on in the VOD, you can turn that off as well, but I'm going to leave that on for now. So next, we're going to close out of this, and we're going to go back into Settings. We're going to go into Output. You should see Audio Track, Twitch VOD Track, and these are going to be the 2 that we're going to focus on. So for Twitch VOD, you're going to want to hit the checkbox to enable it, and you're going to want to set your Twitch VOD track to whatever you just set your music track to not be on. So for me, that's going to be 6. So I have my Twitch VOD track set to 6, and what this does is it separates the audio tracks before saving your VOD to Twitch, allowing you to have a Twitch VOD with no music while not limiting what you can listen to and enjoy with your viewers while live. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I wish you happy listening. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon for another tutorial.